In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in PowerPoint. Whether you're looking to add a personal touch to a presentation or just want to explore the creative potential of PowerPoint, drawing directly on your slides can be a fun and effective tool. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring you get the most out of PowerPoint's drawing capabilities. First things first, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. You probably have it installed already, but if not, make sure you have the latest version downloaded. Launch the program and you'll see the familiar interface. If you're starting from scratch, you can open a new presentation, or if you're continuing with a project, go ahead and open that file from the recent documents list or your computer storage. With your presentation open, we're ready to move on. Navigate to the Draw tab on the PowerPoint ribbon, located conveniently toward the center to right of your screen. Can't find it? No worries. If the Draw tab isn't visible, make sure you're using a version of PowerPoint that supports drawing tools. Office 365, PowerPoint 2016, and later versions come equipped with these features. Once you've accessed the Draw tab, you'll see a variety of tools laid out for you to explore. It's time to choose which tool you would like to use for your masterpiece. Whether you opt for the pen, pencil, or highlighter, each has its unique attributes. Simply click on the tool that best fits your artistic needs for this project. With your tool selected, it's important to fine-tune your setting to the perfect level of detail. Adjusting the thickness of your drawing tool is crucial in achieving the look you're going for. In the Draw tab, you will find size options that allow you to customize the thickness of your line. For finer details, choose a thinner width. For bolder, more pronounced strokes, increase it accordingly. Now the stage is set and it's time to start drawing. Click onto your slide where you'd like to begin. As you apply your selected tool, remember that PowerPoint allows for easy adjustments. Feel free to experiment, as PowerPoint's drawing capabilities can be as flexible as your creative instincts dictate. Whether you're illustrating a concept, creating emphasis, or just adding some flair, the Drawing tab gives you plenty of freedom. And there you have it, you're now ready to enrich your presentations with custom drawings right within PowerPoint. As you continue to experiment and practice, you'll find new ways to enhance your slides and captivate your audience visually. Enjoy the artistic journey ahead and let PowerPoint be your canvas.